Hello everybody, this is Michael Bustamante and welcome back to another Tech Tip Tuesday. Today we're going to talk about REALTORS Property Resources. It is a tool that's available to you as a member of this association. To find this tool, you're going to click on Resources here at the top, and you're going to go to RPR, which stands for REALTORS Property Resource. If you click on it, it'll take you to the RPR login page. If you've never used RPR before, you're going to want to click Create New Account. It's going to ask you for your NRDS ID. Once you verify that you have that and you're a member, you can create an account. Once you create your account, go ahead and put in your credentials and click the Sign In button. This will take you into RPR. This is a place where you can see over 158 million properties across the country. And in our area, you'll be able to see all the MLS records as well, such as active listings, sold listings, pending listings, and use those to be able to generate reports. What kind of reports? Well, if I click on the reports menu, you can see that RPR can do incredibly in-depth property reports, seller reports, property flyers, mini property reports, and even reports such as neighborhood reports and school reports. And these are some top-notch reports. So, if you've never used RPR, I would recommend giving it a shot. The CMA or Seller's Report function inside of RPR is much better than what's in Paragon. And I believe if you try it, you'll want to be using this for your seller reports. So, in summary, if you've never used RPR before, give it a shot today. All you need to do is know your NRDS ID and sign up for the account. In addition, we're going to be holding RPR classes here at the board called Getting Started with RPR. If you want to take one of those classes, call down to the board and ask for the next available opening. Thanks so much and have a great day.